How to set up SMTP server in Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk to you about how you can set up SMTP server in your Gmail. So first of all, just open your account and just click on Google Apps, and from there just go to your account. Now in order to set up your SMTP server, first of all you have to enable the two-step verification. So for that, just go to security, and here just scroll down until you see the two-step verification. Now just click on it, enter your password to confirm, click on next. As you can see that my two-step verification is already been turned on this particular date. Now just scroll down, and here you will see another option called app passwords. Just click on it. Now you have to enter the app specific password or to create a new password. Just enter the app name. You can enter any name and just click on create. And now as you can see that Google has given you the generated password. Now you have to go ahead and copy this password because once you close this window, you will not be able to see this password and you have to regenerate the password again. So make sure to copy the password. Now you can go ahead and check the password in any SMTP test tool. So you can go ahead and check it here on the first link. Now all you have to do is just enter your SMTP server, your port name and your security code, and just enter your username, your password and your email address and which email address you wanted to send to, and the confirmation email address sent to the respective email. So this is basically how you can set up SMTP server in your Gmail. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.